This is my view from my window, and I'd like to share it with you all. Just the trees swaying and the different colors, the lights, the velocity of the wind. I can see the trees dancing in the wind, touching. The next moment, swaying in a time forgotten. The trees passing by, the clouds just drifting and shifting, a piece of ourselves. And soon, all of these little leaves and droplets of moments will stream and echo through the lifespans and the connections. So right here, right now, is all that matters. I want to enjoy this moment. I want to enjoy this life spent, wanting no one to take it away from me, to take this joy, this peace, that my life matters. No matter what or where I've come from, or who you think I am, or who I should be, that there's something here that's you can't take away. I want to enjoy this moment. Good morning, good evening, good day, wherever you may be in the world at this moment. Let's take a few moments together and harness the energy around us, the natural energies of the sun, of the wind, of the earth, of the sun's rays. Everything that you need is already inside you to recover, to heal, and to be whole. Love is in abundance. Love is in abundance. I am still. I am here. I am grounded. I am upright. There is stability, dignity, and strength where I stand, where I sit. I allow gravity to hold me, to sustain me. embracing this moment, loving this moment. Tuning into the sounds of nature. Breathing deep, tuning in to the sounds, to the light, to the warmth, to the colors. Being present evermore. Breathing deep, letting go.